How to fix Instagram music not showing on your story, reel, and post. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of troubleshooting steps if your music is not showing, if you're using on your Instagram story, your post, or on reels. So what people usually do is to go to, say for example, their story. They add a picture, they add a music, and then once it's successfully edited, the specific story that you're trying to upload, it will not directly be uploaded onto your Instagram story, but it's going to be depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi or your data. So give them time, at least a minute or two, for it to completely load, and then you can review it. However, if it's still showing the same thing, then what you want to have to do is just to simply clear cache from the Instagram application. Tap and hold, and then choose on I so that you'll be redirected to app info. Scroll down. Under usage, go to storage. This is where you can clear cache and clear data from the Instagram application only. And that's basically it. That is how you fix Instagram music not showing on your story, reel, and post.